Let's see how we can edit photos like this into this. That's just simple. First, go to the Play Store and search PhotoLab Picture Editor and Art. And here it is. Click Install and wait. Now you can see how much speed my fiber optic internet connection. Ha! Now click Open. Then click Trending. Then click here, Instant Look. Here you can see many different type edits. You can choose anything you want. For now, let's choose this one. Choose your photo. Then click this arrow and wait little time. And finally, here it is. Now click this 3 dots and click Download icon to save the image in your device. Let's try another one too. Let's try this one. Choose a photo and tap the arrow and wait. And here the image. You can also save this, tap 3 dots and tap download icon. Don't forget to subscribe the channel and like the video.